Hi there, this is Tom from Flaneer, just showing you some best practices when creating environment snapshots. So I'm just installing 7-zip here so I can create an environment with that installed for other people in my organization. And I've done that installation, but just there are some best practices to keep in mind so that whenever you're creating a template, you're creating something nice and clean for other people to start off from. So the first thing to do is just to clear out your browsing history. Then come into your Google account here and sign out if you've signed in, or anywhere else online that you might have signed in. You don't want to leave that signed in for other people to use. And then the other thing to do is to come into downloads and delete any installers that you might have downloaded, and remember to empty them from the recycle bin. Okay, so now everything's clean and ready to snapshot, and I can just hit create environment. Thanks.